All right, well, everybody's here and it's 7 o'clock, so we are gonna go ahead and get started. Today, because we had snow in Maryland, some of us might had to have been outside doing a little bit of shoveling. Some of us might have had to break through some ice to do that. So we were going to work on hack the back tonight in case anybody has a sore back or gets a sore back later in the week from the extra activity from snowing or just in general from sore backs. So that's what we are going to do tonight. And we're going to start off a little differently. We're not going to jump right into primary back stretch like we normally do. We're going to start off with some postural restoration, standing moves to just make sure that our spine is really getting warmed up. Because if people have some uncomfortable issues with their spine, jumping right into primary back stretch can sometimes be too much, too fast, and too soon. So let's look at how we can work our way up to that. If you guys have any questions, you can fire them off real quick right now. And if not, go ahead and go on mute and we'll get started. So now we're going to do just 4 side-to-side reach scoops so that we are integrating the legs and the torso moving and working together on sideways tilt. Then we'll go straight from there into jazz twist. Tuck that tailbone. Toes at 1 and 11. Reach away. Make your bear claws on both hands to make it easier. And here we go. Just 4. Reach. 1. Reach. 2. Keep your tail tucked. Reach for 3. And reach for 4. From there, the hand that's coming down is the hand that goes on the hip. And that's the direction you turn towards. Both hands on the hips. Tuck that tailbone. Straighten that back leg as best you can. Lace those shoulders. Inhale, push, tall. Exhale, think front of the body to the belly button. Inhale, push, tall. Pull the laces tight. Front leg is the back hand. Now you can bring that hand up from that same side. Inhale, push, tall. Use the hand in the back. Use the weight. Tuck, 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 tuck. You're stretching and lengthening the front of the body as you tilt. Release. Now we're going to add that twist. Inhale, push, tall. Tilt, 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 tilt. Use the back hand to twist, 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 twist. Tuck your tail and pull back. Good job. Here we go. Twisting for 6. Ready? Twist. 2, 3, 4, just 2 more. 5 and 6. Turning to the other side. You can put the hand on the hip as you turn towards it. Remember to bring that foot up, belly button to spine, lace those shoulders. Both hands are on the hips. Inhale, push tall. Exhale, front of the body pulls in. Inhale, push tall. Slide that hand into the back pocket. Bring the other one forward on your exhale. Inhale, push tall. Use this back hand for leverage. Tilt into it on your exhale, stretching that front of the body. Release. This time add that twist. Inhale, push tall. Tilt, 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 tilt. Twist on that exhale. Tucking, 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 tucking. Pull back. Here we go for 6. Twist. Pull. 2. Pull. 3. Pull. 4. Just 2 more. 5. Pull. And 6. Good job. Same thing that we did on reach scoop. We're going to just do 4. Remember to add that bit of a tilt as you twist on jazz twist, putting the weight into that back hand to stretch the front of the body, but not pinch the back. So you're trying to really pull length in here. See the difference, and you can see it really well because I have this little stripe on. You can see how this stripe kind of lengthens versus if I do that. Do you see the difference, how now there's suddenly a bend? So you're trying to create an arch, not a bend. Try it for 4. Here we go. Reach. 1. Reach. 2. Reach. 3. Just 1 more. Reach. 4. Grab some water. Nice job. Great job, you guys.
Just a comment. I found it very hard to bend my knee with the high lift. My leg really wanted to stay fixed in place.
And you don't have to. It just makes adding that extra, well, let me back up so you can see me all the way. Here we go. It makes adding that extra tuck to bring the knee up, because the idea is what you're trying to do is you're trying not to just lift the knee up high. That uses the hip flexors. We're trying to use our core and stretch out the back. We're trying to use all these muscles to lift the knee, which means we go scoop. So you see how this action is what actually lifted my knee up versus just this action of like trying to use my thigh. If I try and use my thigh, yeah, I want to be straight because I inactivate. To use the core muscles, I want to bend the knee further because that allows me to tuck more and push the leg up using all of these muscles in the core. So hopefully that makes a little sense. Highly recommend practice it. The other thing that you can do is you can grab a chair so that you feel a little more stable, and you can practice the high knee with a chair next to you so you're not too worried about your balance and stability. So that's another potential tweak that you can do to a high knee hoedown in order to get that core stability in place without worrying that you're going to fall over.
So we just do the high knee on the forward facing one, not the side?
Yeah, there's really nowhere you can go on the side. You're limited by your range of motion because of the iliac crest there. So there's not as much space to lift forward as there is to lift, or to lift to the side as there is to lift forward. So yeah, we're not necessarily trying to do this on the side. You end up releasing your tuck to do that, and you don't want to do that. The whole purpose of the high knee is to use and activate the tuck more, which we can't do on the side because it limits our range of motion.
You know, wearing that top with the stripe has really been helpful, especially when you were talking about make a crescent and not a bend.
Yeah.
So it was a great visual for my mind to think crescent because I could remember what the white line looked like.
Yeah, that was kind of a happy accident, but it worked out great. So I'm really thrilled.
It was very helpful to think crescent, not bend.
Yep, not bend. Fantastic. Great work, you guys.
Yeah, so I'll practice those high knees with a chair, I think, just to get that feeling going.
Awesome. That sounds great. There'll be more Hack Your Back all week long on the social media pages, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good week.
Thank you. Have a good week, Krista.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.
Bye.